Hey everybody, this is just going to be a real quick introduction to Adobe InDesign. Just going to go over some of the different parts of the window here, let you know what they're referred to as, and a little bit of what you can do with them. So this way in future videos when I refer to a certain section of the InDesign window, you'll be a little more familiar with what section that is and what goes on there. Okay, so first we have the menu bar. This menu bar is very similar to the bar that's at the top of most programs. It's where you have your file and edit and menus, etc. You click on these and options come down. You can pretty much do everything. You can change a lot of settings from this particular menu up here, but there's generally an easier, faster way to do so. But there are some functions that can only be accessed from this menu. Okay, moving right along, we have on the left hand side over here we have the toolbar. Okay, this is what's referred to as the toolbar. And here you'll find various tools that allow you to manipulate different elements on the page. Okay, these are right over here on the left hand side. And then coming over to the right hand side, we have what's called the palettes area. And these palettes contain information about things such as color, paragraph styles, character styles, object styles, all your styles, links, info, and as you see here when you click on these, a little window will pop out. You can actually pull this window away and just click and drag and hold to drop it back. Okay? And we'll pull that out. Drop it there. Okay. And then our last sort of area on the border here is known as the attributes palette. Okay? And what this does is this controls it lets you control things about the various elements actually on the page itself. So okay, if we come over here and click, you can see some of these numbers and different things changing. Okay, and fitting, outline, fill, various things. So this area that we're actually looking at right now is referred to as the pasteboard. That's the gray area sort of around the paper here. Okay, anything on this will not be printed. You can, if something's moved off of here, it's not going to show up in the final printed edition. And then on the pasteboard we have the page, and that's just simply the where all the stories, photos, text, etc. sits. As you can see, there's a purple outline around here, this purple margin. Anything inside this purple margin prints. Anything outside the margin does not print. Okay. If you have something that say runs over the margin like that, it's going to cut it off right here at the edge of this margin. Okay, this margin is the printable area. Okay, that pretty much does it for the introduction to InDesign, and we'll move right along.